Hey there, wonderful people. This is your pal David Keenum, but I'm just really surprised. But I realized again made the play button is on the year 2022. Now, unfortunately, we had to return up to the grandma's room with the return up to the printing all again for another play buttons for David Keenum. But if you think they didn't do that for 600,000, it's called 100,000. Yeah. You see with that 100,000 right there? It's on, it's on YouTube for someone on YouTube is gonna weigh out for some people. But guys, we're about to go to grandma's room, and eventually we are gonna do how do we print to another play button, just like it begets. If you think you know for the clear with fidelity, I'm about to get started off with the printer. If it gets to it, but unfortunately, I'm about to get the box and put the tape in. So let's get started. Alright, I don't want to drop the camera. Now I'm gonna put these in the classroom. I don't know where it is, but I'm wondering. Oh, wait a minute. There's a box. I found it. All right. So, speaking of this, we have a save, and tickets open up to the door. Yeah, that's nice. And so we have the numbers. All right, look, 86, 40, 12th. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Alright, let's look up the picture. That's Uncle Trey, Jacqueline, Carwin, and Caitlin. Cool. I don't want to get cut up my finger here. Alright, so let's take this and see how for the grandma's computer. I'm sure I'm gonna close the door. Alright, so we're about to get how we print another play button to David Kingdom. So its own logo, just like like it be known as. And we have grandma's computer. I'm about to use it. Oh wait, check out for this grandma's bathroom. As you see, alright, let's go there. Oh wait, we have a little couch. Did you see that? Alright, let's check it. Let's get started to another play button. Yeah. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay. Check out there. Oh, okay. Come on. Okay. Alright, like that. Sorry, that's my doing. Alright. Let's put its logo on there. And yeah, put it like so. Oh, try again. Oh my, dude, why does that keep stop? Why does it always stop moving? Oh my god, dude, I don't know what's quit moving. That's okay. That's like a criminal. That's just only stuck in the damn logo. Oh, you know what? Let's try this. I knew that you're moving something. Alright. Alright, I got it. Alright, so we have attached to the play button. So I don't know if I paid 3D how to be able to on the year 2022. Anybody would know to see that, you know. It's kind of like, you know, Shabby the Slave was the oldest but best. You know, this is have to be matter say so. Let's look at that the mind for the interaction like that. But I've been out there to be incredible too into the forest, you know. This one's had this in the jail for the house, you know, in the jail. So we think so had to be carefully, but you guys have been trolled. I mean, there's nothing in the casting. He's not dominated. Looks like he was been dominated. All right, let's turn that to break the camera for this. Before to get the stuff away. Okay. David Kingdom label. David Kingdom. Dude. Alright, cool. Now, all we have to do is type it into 100,000. Okay, press to David Kingdom for pacing 100,000. Alright. I don't want to put the camera for this. How do we cut it? Alright, we're good. So I'm about to how we print. I'm about to do how I'm gonna print another play button. No, is that what? No, let's try this. I don't know what the hell happened to this. Wait. Online. Okay. Alright, we're good at it. Now, let's take this. Number 2. Number 3. Let's see. Number 5. There we go. Alright. Let's just try to find it. Let's just try to find it here. Now, all about if we can see there of all the picture. You know, it looks like all the picture gotta be trained. You know, it looks like gotta be trained. We can see here. Look at that shit, guys. Look at it. I just made something. You know, the Eagles line for the Kingdom Studio. You know, the whole Kingdom family. So it looks like it's been amazing. Okay, so let's just try how we print it. Okay. How do we get loaded? Okay, with what? I don't know why I had to get loaded. Oh, okay. I think I see it. I don't really think I see that. Alright, so let's just see, click this button, how to be print. Holy shit! What the hell is that? Sorry, that's my dad. I just got throw up. Alright, never mind. Let's just look. Let's look. Right there. We almost had it. Alright, see what we got. Who we got? Oh my god! Look at this, you guys. I did how we print it. I just bought this. Is our logo for YouTube. So this is how we print for the David Kingdom play button. All these you can see that is called, present to David Kingdom for pacing 100,000 subscribers. Okay, so this looks like it'd be amazing. Do you remember something? It's on February 12th. Okay, February 12th. It's Sarah's birthday, Uncle Larry's birthday, and we have another one. See? And so I got the other one. Okay, so all I'm about to do when put it to the tape in the box. Then I did put the tape. Now, functionally, we're about to end. So functionally, we're to do with Encounter and Tab to the station. Probably be a taping to on the posters on the box, but I don't want to get ruined this all the time. I could, of course, had to be in a way too. All right. Let's try to exit. Alright, okay. Maybe I'll just save this. Yeah, this might not save this. Alright, so I've already printed it, It looks beautiful, guys. It looks freaking beautiful. Alright, let's just let's turn it off to Grandma's computer and put these back together. Alright, let's take this. Ogre, oh yeah, ogre. That's me, guys. Standing here for this bed. Alright, so we have merchandise for David Kingdom, and look at that, we have to go rep up for me. I mean, he just rip it. So this is the logo. This is the logo. At least it made it. They're all the dinosaurs. Look at it. He got put in a stamp with the dinosaur. And yeah, that's the logos on YouTube. Oh, remember I got the present for the jacket for David Kingdom? It's a Christmas special. At least, so, we're about to put a tape in. And, no, I just stuck with this shit. So, we'll just put on the tape in, stuck on the sides. And then, as you can see, it's going to be awesome. So, I got scissor and tape. And so, I just got the heart about to be the president. Wait, what is going on?
Well, when are they coming back? Oh, who's the one that dumped the brick with? When does,
They're supposed to come back today. You lost. Look at what?
Alright. Guys, alright, so let's just put that tape in. Alright guys, there we have it. This is how we made this. I put in the tape in from the box, but I could guess how it was happening to us be credible to we made it. Okay, obviously we made it, but we have the paint right there on the, you know, light paint. Oh yeah, this is like a light paint. Hey, remember I just painted out there to the wall right there? Inside some of the wood furnace when the spatula wasn't like this for the shame of who. This is the real pressure. It's 2 play buttons, gray play button, and golden play button. So this Kingdom family is David Kingdom. At least at the beginning, it's tend to be owned it. Obviously the rest about the Garch's original charges. Original charges had to be to the Sino friends. The Sino friends had especially tools. Especially tools had to be a box. And so we got it made the 4 box. Maybe I'll just ask Lisa to give me the play button from a minute. But anyway, I go up to the grandma's room and how we printing for the play button. Again, I just made it for us. The jersey of Grandpa Ronnie, I made that. Let's put these back there. Alright. This train is how do we why. So they told us how to, so they shot. This is exactly why, how they showed to him what's believed on, so they shot it out front, but I'm sick and tired of this stuff. I'm not sick. So we gotta get show up to for the, you know, $100,000. $100,000 had to be a million views on a bunch of money. This is just like really expensive. Yeah, you know, this likes stuff. But anyways, please let you know for the subscribe, 600,000 million views. Oh wait, it's almost 70 million views. We can do it to like this video, but we can do it to subscribe and share and smack the like button. All that tries to be skits. All that tries to be yours. And this is why for Mission Incompetent, I need to learn how to retain yourself. And this is how it gets only. It was big, you know. Looks like it. It's just like reindeers. It takes to it. I just wanted you to appreciate it. To some people, it's big up in a shiny hood. For the rest of the city, I mean, the rest of important. It looks like it's important, you know. Just gotta be checks. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Just to subscribe, follow YouTube channel David Kingdom, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, link in the description, and don't forget to follow Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everything, David Kingdom. If we can do it like this video, we'll just get 100 million views. Yes, 100 million views. We're going to do a celebration of David Kingdom. The whole Kingdom family is straight to get how to be gone to gets an hour if its cities would collapse, and Kingdom family will be yours. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'm David Alexander Kelm. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep it Kingdom.